Level Entry is focused on skill-based hiring, and we're creating a new career firm model after the NFL draft combine. For the mission, I studied music, and then I switched to economics after we built our first business because I felt a bit more creative doing that than like hanging out in the practice room and playing the bass for multiple hours a day. So it was a lot more fun.
We tried to start a music festival, and it was good. We built it up, had 30 bands coming, and then we ran out of money. So then it ended up, we canceled it 1 month before it happened. So, bit of a bummer, but really good learning experience.
Yeah, more from that, schooling or...
Well, after that, Thomas and I were kind of done with entrepreneurship a little bit for a second, so we both decided to go get real jobs. And I went up to a place called Sorensen Impact. They do venture capital for developing countries. So I was getting exposed to a lot of new companies, and we had a couple companies come in that were recruiting companies. But I did a lot of research in the staffing industry because of that, and learned there's some issues in it. And then all of my friends were trying to get internships and trying to get jobs, and we've done that when we try to get jobs. It's pretty much the worst thing ever. So we kind of saw that opportunity that something's broken.
I was one of the co-presidents of the Sports Business Club, and we're studying the sports industry a lot. And Max and I both love sports, and we looked at the combine, the NFL combine especially, where there's just a bunch of skills tests, and they're spending almost millions of dollars on every person who's coming in. And we're they must be doing something right. And so studying that, we thought you could build a combine, but for normal students.
So that'll kind of be the visual of the event. Will be companies observing kids doing different skills that are applicable to their career. The plus for companies also is they get all of the kids' stuff after, because each station will be filmed. So then they'll get to see each kid, even the kids they didn't get to observe.
I hope that someone with maybe a slightly lower GPA but who has really solid skills can come and shine at this event.
This time we've put much more of an emphasis on mentors to kind of help us learn, because I don't really know anything about building a finance assessment or building a business. So it's nice to have a network of people that we're able to reach out to and get advice and have them coach us along the way. I think it's been super helpful. If you're a finance student, then come out to the Career Combine in the fall. We'll be contacting you somehow, but look out for us too. Level Entry, Career Combine.